Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about how we can drop a variable in a data from a data frame, how we can add a variable, how to split a variable, how we can drop an observation in a data frame from a data frame, and how we can replace an observation in a data frame. So we should load our library called Pacman and library Pacman. Then we shall use payload to identify the different libraries we need. So we shall need deploy, we shall need id, and then can run. So we shall load our data frame in CSV and try to look at it. Yeah, it's right there. Now we can try to drop an observation, I mean a variable. If you want to drop a variable, for example, you want to drop turn from your data frame, you simply come and identify turn from the df, turn, and then drop by using null. So when you run and then check back in the data frame, you will not see it anywhere. How about if you want to add a new variable? You simply, for example, if you want to add a variable which is a calculated value of trunk and weight, is trunk times weight, you simply come to df and then identify the new variable name, for example, new variable or the new var, and then assign it to df. I want trunk times weight. So when you run, it will clearly tell you here that yeah, we have a new variable which is a calculated value of trunk and weight. Yeah, assuming that you want to split a variable into two, for example, make here in the data frame has a make name here and then a make description here. I want to separate them into two variables. So we shall get a new df and then get df IP a separate function, and in the separate we want to identify the main variable and define the new variable names by using a vector, and the new variable names shall be make name, and then the other name shall be make description, and then we shall use a separator which is a space between those two, between the observations, and then extra words go to make description, can be merged. Yeah, so when you run and check here, you clearly see that I now have the make name and make description. Assuming that you want to drop an observation from the data frame, you want to drop an observation, you simply get your new data frame and get a subset of the existing data frame, and try to identify which observations you want to drop. For example, I want to drop all observations that have a make description concord. Here I'll come here and identify make description and try to remove concord. So when you run and then check in the data frame again, you will not see Concord observations that have a description Concord. They will be dropped. Assuming that you want to replace values in your data frame, like you want to replace all AMCs to Benz. Yeah, you want to change for AMC to Benz. You simply come and identify the variable name you want to change, which is make name, and then in make name try to define a condition for dropping whereby it is equal to AMC. Try to replace it with Benz. Yeah, so when you run and then check in the data frame, you'll clearly see that all AMCs are changed to Benz. Yeah. This tutorial will help you get ready to analyze your data well and try to visualize after cleaning it well. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.